कोई है जो देख रहा? चेयरमैन चला गया, बैंक चला गया, कोई नहीं देख रहा।
ये सवाल 5 लाख लोगों का है जो इस कंपनी से जुड़े हैं, उनके परिवारों का है। अगर आप एयर इंडिया की हेल्प कर सकते हैं, डजंट मैटर कि जेट एयरवेज प्राइवेट कंपनी है, हमारी कंपनी को प्लीज 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 बचा लीजिए।
जेट एयरवेज है तो हम हैं तो जेट एयरवेज है, प्लीज हेल्प अस।
Ain't we deserve a second chance?
According to International Air Transport Association or ITA, India is going to become the third largest aviation market around 2024. But right now the condition of the Indian aviation market is pretty bad. Last night, India's second largest airlines, Jet Airways, declared that they would suspend all their operations temporarily. Right now, we are at Jantar Mantar and we have Jet employees who have gathered here to appeal to the Jet Airways and the government. I repeat the word appeal because that's what they have said. They said that there is no protest, it is just an appeal.
We request the government to release the funds and not to suspend the operations temporarily. It's a wonderful airline, it should run and there will be more value to the customer, to the bidder if the airline runs. If it stops and suspension, then there might be price problem. We expect definitely there will be bidders and this airline will revive again. But we request the government to at least infuse some funds to keep it flying. Because we don't want any suspension of operations. Because funds are needed and there won't be much of funds actually if you look at for the next 15-20 days. And if the airline runs, it gives a better feeling to all employees and moral remains high.
Our appeal over here to get together, all departments, all of us are with the company. The brand is very good. It's a great company to work for. I have been in the company for 24 years. And likewise, many of our colleagues standing here have worked as much or maybe more. And we know that we can put Jet Airways back on its feet as long as we have a support from the government of the day. And it's our humble appeal that the matter be taken seriously if they have a serious intent.
It's just a request to our government and to everybody that please save Jet Airways. There are people who are associated with this airline from last 25 years. They have their families, their responsibilities, and our job is at risk. And after this, if we don't get if we will not save this company, where will we go? Please, it's a request. Please save our company.
My family is depending on me. As you can see, we don't have money. At home, they are waiting, and yesterday we got to know that company is temporarily shut down. We really need this job, and not for me, but for all the people who are working with Jet and their family as well. Please save our company.
It's a public interest. We are serving to the nation and to the whole world. So just don't get it to the private only because हमने कोई दुकान नहीं खोल रखी है. It's a market जो कि सबको हमने सर्व किया है और it's a 25 years company जिसको आप इतनी जल्दी बंद करने के लिए it's totally kind of ignorance by the government why it is so. If the Air India survives and other companies survives, let it be. Jet Airways को भी एक मौका दो. हम फ्री नहीं मांग रहे. We are just requesting you to कि आप हमें लोन दो. ठीक है. We are there to work.
We are very hopeful that government and all agencies are going to help us because we are the demand of this country. We are requirement of this country. We had served for last 25 years without any funding. It's time to help us. They had provided funds to that SpiceJet. You can see the scenario last year's SpiceJet is about to finish. But government provide funds to them and now see the situation. And we are flying with 127 aircraft and now forced to close our operation.
बच्चों की स्कूलों की फीस नहीं है, न्यू एडमिशन हुए हैं, बच्चों को कहाँ से कोर्स दिलाएंगे, क्या करेंगे, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. 24 इयर्स इस कंपनी में हो गए हैं और अब इस इस स्टेज पे लाके हमें छोड़ा जा रहा है. क्यों? हमारा कसूर बताइए. एयरपोर्ट पे इतनी कंपनी आई है, इतनी बंद हो गई हैं, आती है कंपनी बंद हो जाती है, लेकिन स्टाफ का क्या कसूर है? गवर्नमेंट कोई ना कोई तो प्रावधान ऐसा निकाले कि स्टाफ को आप छोड़ के जा रहे हो.
2 महीने हो गए सैलरी ना मिले हुए, तो अब कहाँ से गुजारा करें? बताओ, घर के खर्चे नहीं चल रहे, कहाँ से हम मूव करें? बताओ.
After having spoken to the employees of Jet Airways, one thing is very clear. They are hopeful for a revival and they have collectively appealed to the government for a quick solution. A solution that is long term, a solution that is viable. This is Siddharth Chakravarti and Sandesh Chaurasia for Economic Times.